Children, this is Sabilsis speaking. Children, as of now, we have been dealing with exercise 13.2, as we have already done this chapter in before midterm. So now this chapter is going to be repeated in final examination. So we are going to revise this. So here, exercise 13.2, question number 1 is about 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 8. So children, we have to multiply. There's some exponential numbers which have got same basis but different powers, but they are in a relation of multiplication. So whenever we have got a such pair of numbers in which the numbers are having equal same basis but in multiplication, so we have to just simply add the powers. So here is 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 8. So the product of all these exponents are 3 to the power 2 plus 4 plus 8. 3 to the power 2 plus 4 plus 8. So 3 to the power 4 plus 2 is 6, 8 plus 6 is 14. 3 to the power 14 is the answer or the product of these exponential numbers. So children, always we have to remember these exponential laws, as these laws are very important. These laws will be used in higher classes as well. So the laws of exponent says that whenever we multiply equal basis with different powers, but in multiplication relation they always gets added. So the powers will be added over here. So it will be 3 to the power 2 plus 4 plus 8, and the answer is 3 to the power 14. Let's try out the next one, number 2. Question number 2 is about 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10. So here just like question number 1, the same concept is given in question number 2 as well. They have got equal basis but they are in division. So what happens is, when we deal with such kind of numbers, whenever we have equal basis but in division, the power gets always subtracted. So here it will be 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10 will be 6 to the power 15 minus 10. Answer is 6 to the power 5. Answer is 6 to the power 5. 15 minus 10, powers will be subtracted. Why? Because they have their equal basis. They are equal basis but they are in division. So it will be 6 to the power 15 minus 10, matlab 6 to the power 5. Next is question number 3. A to the power 3 into a to the power 2. So a to the power 3 into a to the power 2. So the product of a to the power 3 and a to the power 2 will be a to the power 3 plus 2. Because their bases are same. No matters whether the bases are number or any variable. As in this particular question, it's given in form of variable. So there is no problem as such. Just simply we will follow the rule. We will just add the powers, as the powers are 3 and 2 and they're having the basis a. So base will remain a or as it is, and the powers will be added. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. A to the power 5. Answer is a to the power 5. Now question number 4. 7 to the power x into 7 to the power 2. 7 to the power x into 7 to the power 2. So the answer for this question will be 7 to the power x plus 2. 7 to the power x plus 2. So this is how we have to deal with this kind of questions. Let's try question number 5. Question number 5 is about 5 square whole cube divided by 5 to the power 3. So for this particular question, as we all know that when a power remains on another power, they gets multiplied. So power is getting multiplied 3 into 2. It will be 5 to the power 6 divided by 5 to the power 3. So now they're equal bases, but in division, so powers will be subtract. It will be 5 to the power 6 minus 3. 5 to the power 6 minus 3 means 3. The answer is 5 to the power 3. So same thing, let's try question number 9, which is slightly different from other questions. Question number 9 is 2 to the power 10 divided by 2 to the power 15, bracket close, into 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3. So here children, it's 2 to the power 10 divided by 2 to the power 15. They are in division within a bracket. So we are going to perform the operation of this bracket first. So it will be 2 to the power, 2 to the power, 2 to the power. It's actually not 10, it's 20. So powers will be subtracted. So as they're in division and having same basis, so 2 to the power 20 minus 15 into 2 to the power 3. So this one is going to give the result 2 to the power 20 minus 15 is 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3 as it is, and 5 and the basis of these exponents are same, so it will be 2 to the power 5 plus 3 resulting 2 to the power 8. Answer is 2 to the power 8. So this is how we have to deal with this kind of questions. I believe it's clear to everyone. If anyone has got any problems or confusions, please feel free to speak to me. Your doubts will be cleared. I'll be clearing your doubts. Till then, thank you so much children. Bye bye, take care.